Aishwarya. I am currently pursuing my third year Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Engineering course in NIT Meenakshi Institute of Technology. My project is AI Skin Lesion Analyzer. My object is to build a system that takes the input lesion image as an input and make predictions and make the result understandable easier to the users. To train the model, I use HAM 10,000 Kaggle dataset. Here I input the Kaggle, input the dataset using the Kaggle. Before training, I analyze the dataset. Here I check the dataset structure, and here the data structure informations. The dataset contains 10,015 data images, which is classified under 7 categories. Next, I create the image path, and here for the sanity check, I display one image from the dataset. Next, I ensure about the missing images or corrupted images which are present in the data set. For the data in data structure, in data set, the disease are in the categorical values. To the model works on the numerical values, so we convert it to the numericals. So I use label encoding. Here I done my label encoding. Here from this graph we can see my this is x-axis is about disease classes, and the number of images which belongs to that disease classes. To split the data set, I use group shuffle split because my data set Kaggle data set contain multiple images. If same image appear in training and testing data set, it make artificial high performance improvement. So I ensure about the no lessing image appear on the same across the data space. Here I ensure the training samples we can see. Training samples, validation samples, testing sample, and I also ensure about the no lessings leakages across the split is confirmed. Here I done image pre-processing, 3 by 3 for all the images resized to 300 by 300 RGB, and I also done data augmentations to improve the generalization and reduce the overfitting. I include rotations, shifting, zooming, and horizontal and vertical flipping for training data. And I use the CNN model, pre-trained model, efficient native B3. Instead of training the model from the scratch using CNN, I use the pre-trained model. Because it gives the good balance between model capacity and the computational efficiency. Here we can see the model summary, total parameters, trainable parameters, non-trainable parameters. For the train the model, I done it in 2 phases. In phase 1, I frozen the efficient net B3 because efficient B3, and I also include the early stopping method. And in phase 2, I use the efficient B3 to improve my accuracy. After in phase 2, I done my fine tuning. My fine tuning. After I get my best model. Using this best model, I develop my front end system, and this is my classification report. Let me show my front end system. This is my homepage. Here we see this sidebar. This is about the system information. Here it gives deep learning frameworks and information. And this is the Lesion classes, which the disease of skin. And generative AI, I use it at the Google Gemini. And also we switch to Kannada, English, Hindi languages. Here we can upload the image. I upload an image. The system analyzes the image. System analyzes the image and gives the information about the disease and the confidence scores. Here we see this is the disease name, and it is the confidence. Here we can switch the language. First I show the English. This gives the generative AI explanation. Gemini explain about the disease in understandable language. If any questions we want to ask, we can use Gemini. Like how it is different from how it is different. Melanoma is also one of the disease. Here it gives the answer. If we switch the language, here if Gemini gives the information in Kannada. Now it gives in Kannada.